Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about journal. Yeah. I think it's an important aspect in your trading journey that you need to journal down your trades because, especially for new traders, only through journal, especially if you save a picture, then when you look back after 50, 100 trades, you can begin to see whether your strategy works or not. And more importantly, even if your strategy does work or does not work, through the pictures of your trades, you can have a better idea what are some of the traits that actually work out and do they have a common denominator. Right? So I'm going to share how I actually journal my traits. Now, from a start, so usually after you take a trade, I would suggest you leave the screen on, especially analysis. What a lot of people don't realize is that in your terminal, your account history, whether you win or lost, especially your losses is more important, you can actually drag the trade and put it on the screen. So once I do that, you can see that it shows my entry and my exit immediately. So the symbols are slide friends. Okay. Once you know your entry and exit, and with your prior analysis on screen, what you can do is right click on the screen, save as picture. By default, this will actually be checked. You can actually uncheck it, choose the middle option, and click OK. So save it somewhere. So I'll just overwrite this, save it. And this is the picture. So for the next step, what I do is usually I go to PowerPoint and I'll paste it in PowerPoint itself. And then I will describe the trade which I took. So in this case, $yen, this is due, I took this trade, short trade, trend line break with a decisive candle. Then you must also describe your stop loss. So these are simple description. Of course, assuming that you have a proper trading plan in the first place. Yeah, so you shouldn't, if you don't have a trading plan, then you must do more in-depth description as to why you take that particular trade. If you have a trading plan, that means you took the trade according to your plan. All you need to do is just simple description so that in the future, when you look back, you know why you took that trade. That's all you need. Now, this is useful for beginners as we all need a visual reference point to start with. And like I mentioned, only after 50 to 100 trades, when you look back, usually what happens is that the winning trades will start to have a common denominator. The winning trades will look like a certain chart pattern. Yeah, and that's where you can actually begin to improve. That's where you get to start really picky and pick those trades that we usually win. Yeah, those are sometimes what I call a quality setups. Now, once you are a consistent, profitable trader, don't think you actually need the picture to actually serve as a trading journal. You can actually move on to the next step. And this is actually what I do. You just need to go to the Excel, Microsoft Excel, indicate which pair has been trading, your actions, your TP, your take profits, stop loss winning ratio, if you're using it, your risk percentage. I don't really recommend trading more than 1% risk per trade. What's the pips that you have earned? And then any remarks. And if you have a picture, you can also post a link, but you need to hyperlink it, date and duration. Yeah. So what I do every month is that I will compile, I'll look at what the trades I've taken during that month and reflect back whether have I taken those trades in accordance to my trading plan. Is there any further actions that needs to be done? Yep. So these are the two different kind of trading journal you can consider taking it up. So that's all. Till next time.